Wastewater. Wastewater is a water that has been used for some purpose and is no longer cleaner. It can include water from homes, businesses, industries, and agriculture. So, in this video, we are going to learn about how wastewater treatment plant works. Bar screens. Sewage water is passed through bar screens where large objects like package, cartons, rags, and other solid waste get removed. Grid tank. After bar screen, the water is passed into the grid tank. Here the water is allowed to stand so that the sedimentation of pebbles, sand and grit take place. Sedimentation tank 1. The water from the grid tank is taken to settling tank called sedimentation tank, where the solid like feces settle at the bottom of the tank. The waste settle at the bottom of the tank is called sludge. Lighter waste like foam floats on the top due to the presence of oil and paint and forms scum. Sludge is taken from the hair to the sludge treatment plant called digester. Inside the digester, the sludge is decomposed by anaerobic bacteria. This bacteria converts the sludge to biogas in the absence of air. This biogas is very important fuel and it can be used to produce electricity or simply as fuel in household. A non-biodegradable waste is taken to landfills. Aeration tank. The water after removal of sludge and scum is taken to the aeration tank. Here, the air is pumped into the water so as to let aerobic bacteria grow. These bacteria act on the organic waste and decompose it in the presence of air. The decomposed organic matter settles at the bottom of the tank. This organic sludge is rich in nutrients and used as manure for agriculture purposes. The cleared water is removed from the top. Again, the water is taken to sedimentation tank to further remove sludge and scum from the water if left. The clarified water is further passed through UV radiations to kill harmful diseases causing microorganisms. Sometimes clarified water is also treated with chlorine or ozone for further disinfecting it. The disinfected clarified water is now safely discharged into the sea, river, or ground into the aquifer. Here, the water is cleaned up further by nature itself and put back into the circulation for our use. This is the overall working of wastewater treatment plant, which aims to remove contaminants from sewage to produce an effluent that is suitable to discharge to the surrounding environment or an intended reuse application, thereby preventing water pollution from the raw sewage discharge. This is all for now. Hope you find this video informative. Like, subscribe, and share.